Hi, what I'm going to show you today is how to sweat a joint on a 1/2-inch copper pipe. Now I'm going to show you also what happens if you don't clean the pipe off. Okay, that's what happens if you don't clean the surface off. If you see that happening, that's when you're like, oh, wait a minute, I have to clean the fittings before we solder. So that's just a good rule of thumb to kind of take into account, that if I don't do that, or if I see that, I have to clean them before you get in over your head and turn the water on and it leaks out. So basically what I'm doing now is just cleaning the fitting. Picked this up at Lowe's. And basically it just has everything to clean it off. I suggest paying a little extra and getting the right tools so you don't have an issue down the road. Okay, so I usually clean the inside and the outside, and just make sure you have a good surface for the joint. Unless we want to go down a little further. So make sure you clean all that. That's the end. We cleaned up. Okay, then once you get that on, if you had a brush or something to brush the flux on, if not, your finger works just fine. So basically what you're going to do is just coat it around, and coat this the outside. Now if you do this right, it'll actually suck the solder into what you're trying to accomplish. Now this is just basically a cleaner, and also takes away any of the impurities that are on the copper pipe already. So that's it. The rest gets sucked in. Alright, thanks for watching.